Now that we've talked about the different poetry elements, we are going to get into the different types of poems. The first one that we're going to talk about, I think you guys are familiar with, especially since I gave it to you on Thanksgiving, and you did a really good job with these. These are called acrostic poems, and this is where you take a word, and each letter of a subject begins a line of the poem. So here we have teacher, going down in bolded letters. Trust that I can learn, eases my fears, always understands, cares about my life, helps me make new friends, excited over my success, reads amazing books to me. So you are going to take your name, your first name, and write the letters going down. And I'll show you how to do that. And then you're going to give me at least one word for each letter of your name. You can do a whole line like this if you would like, but if you're unable to do that, I will accept just one word that represents you. Tell me what you like, tell me what you like to do, whatever you want me to know about you, or whatever you would like your classmates to know about you. So that is what you'll do here. And how you will do this is when you click here, after each letter that you type, you are going to click the enter key. It may say return on your keyboard, but I'm going to do my last name is Sacaria, so S, and then enter A, K, A, R, I, and A. So that you can go back up next to those letters and you can type in whatever word best represents you. So I'll say smiles. Now you can make this as creative as you want. You can change the lettering, change the color of the letters. You can play around with any of the fonts, make it pretty. I'm going to give you 5 minutes. I'll put a 5-minute timer on here to get that done.